Today we're going to discuss scanning tools. As you can see, I've got the diagnose 600S from Top Don, and I've also got this right here. It's a Bluetooth scan tool that you hook up to your OBD2 port in your vehicle, and it hooks up to an app called Repair Source 2, I think it's called. This right here will only pull ECU diagnostic codes and a couple other system tests. This here will pull everything from ECU to transmission control modules to airbags to fucking what's the other one? There's another one. It's got 4 functions that it pulls codes from, but it'll also do a couple other things like resetting battery maintenance and things of that nature. I'm still playing around with it, so I'm not too familiar with it yet. This doesn't do that. Now, this, depending on where you get it, can run you anywhere between $130 and $210. This was $180 and doesn't do but maybe 20 to 30% of what this one does. Now, the function of these tools is not to tell you how to repair your vehicle. It is to tell you where to start looking for your repair on your vehicle. This does not give you a 100% definitive answer on how the vehicle is going to get fixed. I had a customer yesterday or today, I can't remember, that needed his intake manifold actuator looked at. It started throwing a code for possible faulty actuator, possible electrical issues, and possible just bad intake manifold whatsoever. We got to looking around, and it was an electrical issue, but it took time to find it. It didn't tell me that there was a problem with the wiring. It just said there's a problem with this actuator. This here didn't pull that whatsoever. People need to stop thinking that these tools will give you all the answers you need on a vehicle, because it doesn't. They just get you started in the general direction. Now, will this always give you the proper place to start? No, it won't. Neither one of them will. But it gives you a good general idea. And it doesn't tell you everything that's wrong, because there are things on a vehicle that doesn't pop up in codes or with sensors not being in the location of the issue that needs to be repaired. Like, if you've got a bad head gasket, this isn't going to tell you. It's going to tell you got a misfire, or it's going to tell you that your ignition coil is bad, or something off the wall like that. And if you repair those and it's still doing it, you probably got a bad head gasket. Just as an example. So, don't think that you get one of these and you can tell a mechanic, hey, this needs to be fixed and it's going to be fixed, and then get upset when it doesn't fix the issue. It's not going to work out too well, and you're going to end up paying more and more and more. So, if you get one, yeah, it's good to have to give you a good general idea of what's going on. But if you're throwing parts of the issue and it's not giving you solutions at the end, maybe you should take this and put it to the side and go to a mechanic. Well, that's all I've got for you today. Again, as always, if you got questions, feel free to ask, shoot me a message or anything like that. But please like, follow, share, and interact as best as you can. That's it for the day. Have a good one.